Here's everything you need to know about lists in FunnelKit automations. When you send an email to a contact using FunnelKit automations, in the footer of every email will be a link that they can click to unsubscribe. This is a requirement by law. When your contact clicks the unsubscribe link, they'll land on a page that looks like this, which allows them to manage their email preferences. To do that, under here, they can just check which mailing list they want to get emails from, and then click update. They also have the option to unsubscribe from all emails if that's what they want to do. Allowing your contacts the flexibility to manage which emails they receive from your brand is a great way to reduce the amount of people that are unsubscribing from all your emails. And as you can see, the purpose of lists in FunnelKit automations is to allow your users to manage which emails they receive from your brand. In this example, there's 2 mailing lists currently in here, one for the daily email for habit tips and the other one for new YouTube video alerts. We can see what date the list was created, and we can also see how many contacts are in the list and how many of those contacts are currently subscribed. Let's create our remaining lists. I'll click on Create List, add my weekly digest, I'll add my description, and it's worth noting here that the name of your list and description is what your contacts will see when they're managing their email preferences. Down here, this would be the list name and the list description. And I'll repeat the process for the remaining lists. With all of our lists now created, generally speaking, when a contact subscribes to your mailing list, you'll want to add them to all of your mailing lists, and then they can use the Manage Email Preferences page to remove themselves from lists that they don't want to get emails from. To add our existing subscribers to these new mailing lists, we can use bulk actions. Clicking here, I'll click Create Bulk Action, name our bulk action, click Add. We want to add all contacts in this example, so we're not going to apply any filters. I'll click Next. For the action, we are adding to lists. I'll add all 3 new lists here by entering their names and adding them. And save. Then I'll click Next. I'll review this and click Start. Here we can see that process completed. So if we go back to lists, we can see the stats have updated. If you're not already using the powerful features of FunnelKit automations, then definitely reach out to our pre-sales team or head on over to our pricing page to see our current deals.